Hi and welcome to my YouTube channel.
From my design studio in Sydney, I create downloadable graphics, templates and overlays and record design skills tutorials to help you create your social media content. I'm Sue Pollard. I'm a graphic designer and online educator and founder of Maker Biz Graphics. On my channel, you'll find design tutorials using Canva to help you create your own graphics for social media and your website to help grow your small business. My years of experience working for newspapers and magazines in London and Sydney has equipped me with tons of knowledge and know-how. I invite you to join my free design club where members have access to my resource library of graphics and design tips. You can find the link in the description below. It's my mission to help you create beautiful social media content with ease, speed, and confidence, even if you're a complete beginner. Join me in making creating content fun. If this sounds helpful to you, hit the subscribe button and feel free to ask me questions in the comments or just say hi. And I'll see you in the next video.